Hey guys, this is Mr. Sal. We're going to give the equation of a line that goes through the point negative 21, 1 and is perpendicular to the line negative 7x minus 2y equals 6. And we'll write our new equation in slope-intercept form. So just to start this one off, I'm going to take that equation of the line and change it into slope-intercept form. So the first thing I'm going to do is solve for y, which means in the end I want y equals, right? Because slope-intercept form is going to show y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to take that negative 7x and get rid of it to get at least the y's on their own side of the equal sign. And to get rid of it, I'm going to have to add 7x to both sides of this equation. Now when I do that, we're just going to drop the negative 2y, and the negative 7x plus 7x, that becomes a 0. On the right side, however, that's 6 plus 7x, which I cannot combine, but I can keep the terms both positive on this. So the reason I'm changing this into 7x plus 6 instead of 6 plus 7x is because it fits more with the slope-intercept form up there. The last thing I'm going to need to do is divide all the terms by negative 2, and the reason why that is going to happen is because I need this to be 1y, or just y equals, and that would be negative 7 halves x, and then 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. Now that negative 3 is not important because the line that we're writing for is not going to be the same exact line. It's going to go through this point, negative 21, 1. And negative 21, 1 would make this original equation a false statement, so we know that it's not the same line, but it's perpendicular. So that is why we need the slope of this line, which right now we can see in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Then the slope itself is negative 7 halves. So already in the formula, or in slope-intercept form, we have y equals mx plus b, and right away we can change the slope with the perpendicular slope. Now the slope right now of that line is negative 7 halves. The perpendicular slope is going to be the reciprocal of that, so that's going to be 2/7, but also the opposite. Where this one was negative up here, this one now is going to be positive for the perpendicular slope. So we reciprocated it to 2/7, and then we made it positive. Now I'm not going to show the positive sign, and that's okay, because all we need to do at this point is to solve for the y-intercept. And the y-intercept, we remember the formula for that, b equals y minus mx. And right now we know the slope at the very least. And the slope is 2/7. You can put it in parentheses if you want to, it's up to you. And then in addition to that, we have the point up here, negative 21, 1. The x value is that negative 21 right there, so I'm going to replace that with negative 21. And the y value is the 1, so I've got 1 minus 2/7 minus 21. And when I solve this, 2/7 times negative 21, that would be negative 6. So I've got 1 minus negative 6. You can plug that in the calculator. Some of you wouldn't need to. You know that minus a negative is plus, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So that allows me to replace the b with that positive 7, and yeah, we show the positive as a plus sign. And this right here would be the equation of the line that is perpendicular to negative 7x minus 2y equals 6. But it also goes through this point, negative 21, 1. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe to the channel, and just make a quick comment below. See you in the next one.